Keep your mirror spotless and streak-free with these easy homemade cleaning solutions. Mirrors often accumulate dust and grime, particularly in bathrooms, but using common household ingredients like white vinegar, baking soda, and rubbing alcohol can effectively tackle the mess. For a simple cleaner, mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution on the mirror and wipe horizontally with a microfiber cloth, ensuring to dry thoroughly to avoid streaks. If needed, a mixture of ammonia and rubbing alcohol with dish soap can also be used. For tough stains, apply rubbing alcohol with a cloth or use a paste of baking soda and vinegar to gently clean. Always ventilate the area, especially when using ammonia, and avoid spraying wooden frames. With these tips, you'll have crystal clear mirrors in no time.